Record. So now we can start for the junior level and the senior level students, particularly for commerce, accounting in a new method, which is very easy when you think zero. So zero is the step from which you can start one by one. So it is very easy to handle. So I am Dr. Sushil, the trainer and research consultant. So we will discuss about the accounting, which give the students it will be very easier to record all the transactions. So think of about the journals. So journal is the first record in which all the transactions are recorded. You know, everybody knows. So if you go to the next slide, we can see you can see the next one is about the you see think of two things. One is debit, one is credit that you almost I think you know all about. In every accounting system, one is debit and one is credit. Two things are there. Transaction when it will take place. So think of what things will be in the debit side and what things will be in the credit. No third system is there. So in between the two, we have to arrange all the things one by one. Suppose in debit side, you see assets, losses, and expenses. Three things only things we have to include. So whatever the condition is, if asset will take place, losses will take place, and expenses will take place, that everything will be in the debit side or debit form in all the time. Nothing to worry on this. Like this credit side, you see the liabilities, all the liabilities, all the outstandings, capitals, loans, everything we can include in that side. All the income, whatever the income is, and gains. When the question comes on incomes or gains or any liabilities, then you have to only put it in the credit side. No worry about this, what things will be debit and what things will be credited. So first thing assets, you know all the assets, what thing current asset and fixed asset. Every asset we can include in that asset format. Those have value owned. Losses, you know, it is the opposite form of your profits. And expenses, what are the expenses for the business? Rent, salary, telephone, electricity, everything we expenses. So now I think it is very clear. And if you go to the next slide, you see journal comes. Now I think it is very clear. Journal, you know the various transactions are recorded. So first, when we start the business, cash introduced in the business. So we have to see the cash either it will be debit or it will be credit. First, think of cash. What is this? It is an asset. It is an asset. So when when asset comes, you see it will be in debit side. So we have to put cash in the debit side. Then what will be the next? Credit side. Credit side obviously it will be in the credit capital format because of it is a liability for the business. You see in the liabilities in the credit side. So I think this is very clear. So maximum to maximum in all the business, we can record the number of transactions, but I have given the short format of this. Suppose you see goods purchased, cash introduction, then we can go for the goods purchase. So when the goods purchase, we have to think of what is goods. What is goods? It will be a clear format of goods means any asset. Suppose you will take it as an asset, then it will be debit. Then so we have to ask ourselves for the purchase of goods, what thing we have to pay? What things we have to pay on it? You see, either you pay cash, either you pay bank or check, or we will not able to pay. That is your outstanding. Three things will come. One is cash, second one is bank, and third one is outstanding. So whatever the payment will be, suppose it will be in cash, then to cash. If it will be in check, then to bank. Then if it will be outstanding, then it will be out, outstanding. In that cell, we have to name the seller. So outstanding means it is not paid. So see, in the second case, suppose rent paid. The rent already we have paid and rent is an expenditure. So every expenditure we have to book it in debit side. So rent account will be debited. It is clear. Then second comes the what we have to pay. Either we have to pay cash, either you have to pay back, or it will be not paid. Suppose it will be not paid. First case, rent debited to cash if it is paid in cash. If it is paid in check, it will be back. If it is not paid, then it is outstanding. So when I say rent is not payable or it is not paid for this month, then we can simply say rent debited to rent outstanding. No worry about it. If you leave all these from your memories, then it will be very easy. In zero thought you can catch easily. So like this, rent paid in advance. Rent paid in advance. Already we have paid. When it is already paid, then it will be asset. Then obviously it will be debit. Rent paid in advance, it will be debited. Suppose you don't know what it will be. Just you reverse the entries of rent outstanding. So in case of rent outstanding, you just write rent prepaid. And in just in reverse case, if it will be in reverse, if it will be in reverse, then what will be the entry? Rent in advance case, it will be in outstanding case, it will be advance and rent account to rent account. So no problem on it to think all the details. So third thing comes on drawings. So when drawings comes, either when we pay capital, then it will be liability. Then we withdraw, then it will be debit. Very easy. Then question comes, what thing we will draw? Either we can draw cash from the business, or we can go for drawing goods. But question comes, goods equal to drawn. Then in which price it will be taken by your owner, always the owner prefer to take an cost price, that means an purchase price. So in case of goods, you can also write purchase account to purchase or to cash, whatever you will take. So you have not to worry what will be debited and what will be credited. Very simple. You ask yourself when you are paying for the business, the capital is credited. If you withdraw it, then it will be debited. Then second comes the what thing you will draw, either a goods or the cash. Whatever you draw, then we have to write that. If goods, then purchase account. If cash, then cash account. So like this, you can, I think we will continue one by one, no problem regarding this. And I think it will be very clear to understand all this. So the I think all the students it will go very minorly with a zero thought without any confusion. Then we can say without any confusion. Now we can think how easy it is. So thanks for watching this and good night.